People have just entered the room. It's gonna be fun. Rah, 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 rah. So I woke up that day and I'm just like, y'all, I need to trim my hair. I need to get my hair dusted, something, because I'm not feeling my hair. But you guys, my audio stopped working and I don't know why, but that's what happened. But come with me to do my hair, and the rest of the vlog will speak for itself. Literally, the sound will be on. So yeah. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me get in the car. Oh my gosh, who backed up like this? So you guys, are you loving the hair or wet? I'm so happy to have gotten this silk press, and yeah, I just know I needed one. It's been a long time. After the baby, I haven't had time to do anything. So I'm so glad that I did this. It was my time that I had away from them and my me time. So yeah, I'm ready to go back, wrap my hair, and mean business. Don't touch my hair. Oh, don't touch my hair. Ah, don't touch my hair. Don't touch my hair. Ah. Okay, so we're here. Rim Hammam Wellness Spa. Oh my goodness. Look at the fountain. Y'all. Peaceful. Let's give it a peaceful vibe. Not me. Taking this thing off. Okay. People have just entered the room. Just give it a yeah, bro. Look at the fountain. I just did a massage and I forgot y'all to tell y'all about my experience. But the massage was good. Oh, they told us the history of Shorty. They told us the history. Right. This is Shorty jewelry. Oh my gosh, cost a grip. This is more of Shorty jewelry. Cost a future. Okay, real nice. And these are products if you want to purchase it from Shorty. Oh, this is the restaurant again. Had to freshen up again. We're done. We're in the lobby. How do I look? Cute. All right, so we're about to go to brunch. Yeah, we out to brunch. I don't know where it is. I don't know how far it is, but we are out. Meet us there. I don't know, but we left the restaurant just to go walk and take some pictures because drip or drown. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So yeah. Wow. So yeah, we took some pictures and like we're hot, you know, literally and figuratively. Yeah. Okay. The sun is hitting. We're back at our restaurant, y'all, Victory Lounge, and we're gonna eat food. We're gonna eat food. Well, we're out. It was fun. Yeah. Currently on my way to a boat party when I'm out around town. We out to a boat party and whatnot. So I cannot wait. It's gonna be fun. Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. Okay. I'm on the edge.
Young game, how the vacuum work. Nigga really drink water, went down my peach water, I be on the sleep.
Mark your words. Mark my words. She gonna be something to watch. This girl is
Oh, the Capital One Bank guy. What did you do outside the Capital One Cafe? Somewhere with me alone. When will my life
had just begun. 2023 looking forward to 24. Just me, it ain't no love no more. 25, what a time to be alive. Am I getting